In a push for faster development in North Karnataka, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge urged Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar to bring the Kalyana Karnataka region on par with cities like Mysuru and Bengaluru. Speaking at a public event in Yadgir, Kharge stressed the need to prioritize development in this backward region and laid the foundation for several health projects under the 440 crore rupees Arogya Avishkara scheme. He emphasized that government vacancies, especially teaching posts, needed to be filled urgently. He pointed out that recruitment in the region was allowed without financial restrictions and called for efficient and timely use of the 5,000 crore rupees allocated this year. Kharge reminded local leaders and officials that without proper implementation, development would not reach the people. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah highlighted that the government had allocated over 13,000 crore rupees to the Kalyana Karnataka Region Development Board over the last 3 years, with 5,300 crore rupees already spent. He stated that many of the funded projects had already started benefiting people and said that funds were also being provided through various departments for welfare schemes. The Chief Minister announced an 847 crore rupees plan to improve healthcare in the region, which includes upgrading 42 hospitals and constructing new ones. The new Arogya Avishkara scheme, with an outlay of 440.63 crore rupees, was introduced to improve health infrastructure and services across the region. Siddaramaiah noted that the Congress government was fulfilling its election promises and acting on the Nanjundappa Report, which identified the region's developmental needs. He added that the Arogya Avishkara initiative in education had already been rolled out and now the government was focusing on healthcare. He also criticized the BJP for neglecting the region and opposing Article 371J, which gives Kalyana Karnataka special status. He credited former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh along with leaders like Kharge and the late Dharam Singh for making the article a reality.